How to create a YouTube channel. This is a question that comes in mind, especially when you possess some potentials, skills, experience which needs to be displayed and exposed to the World Wide Web that can benefit other people. These ideas, skills, and experience concatenate this question: how to create a YouTube channel. Yes, you are right. In this video, I am going to walk you through gradually and systematically on how to create a YouTube channel and also identify the elements and steps involved to create your YouTube channel. And after creating your YouTube channel, we are going to optimize some configurations and settings to our channel. With much said, let's jump straight in and start creating. YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google and is also a social media platform that consists of so many multimedia content that relates to education, entertainment, lifestyle, people and travel, how to do videos, and etc. We have so many categories in the YouTube platform, but I have limited to these categories I just mentioned. And as a content creator, you have to note what type of category you fall into based on your skills, ideas, and experience. So you have to note the category you have to choose specifically for your creation of your YouTube channel. So example, you can choose education or entertainment and start creating your YouTube channel. Now that we have our category that we fall into on the YouTube platform, what are the elements that we need that can enable us to create our YouTube channel? The first one is the computer. So you need a computer to create your YouTube channel. You also need a favorite web browser, and the last element is your internet service provider. When these three elements merge together, then you are good to go. Now currently I have my computer set up, and on my computer desktop, I have my favorite browser opened, and this browser is known as Microsoft Edge. When I move to the bottom right corner on my taskbar, I have this internet icon and I have it activated. And this is activated through my internet service provider. So as usual, when you are using a computer and you don't have any data, there's no way you can connect to the World Wide Web or the internet. So you have to get your internet activated through your internet service provider. And this is going to help us to use our favorite browser, which is a software, and link that to our hardware, which is the computer system. Now when this is set up, the hardware, which is the computer system, and also the software, that is your browser, then the user, who is the content creator, has the full capability to create a YouTube channel. So now that we have all this set, how can we start to create our channel? In your browser, move to the address bar and search for www.youtube.com. Now anytime you log into the URL of YouTube channel, this is the first interface or page you are going to get that consists of different kinds of videos or multimedia content. And as a computer user, you can click on any of these videos. We are currently going to create a YouTube channel. So the next step that we partake is to move to the right top corner where we have this icon beside this bell icon, and this icon is going to represent your initials or the picture of your email address. So if you have previously logged into YouTube with an email address and also created a channel, then you are going to have this icon. Now if you have a YouTube channel and you click on this icon, you are going to have these options. You are going to have the name of your channel here, and below this you are going to have your channel. It means that you have previously created a YouTube channel, and this comes in two sections. Maybe you've created a channel and published videos, which means you are a content creator, and possibly you might have also created a channel which you don't have any published video and you might not be aware of it. You are also going to have this option, if you have logged in with your email address. Now let me emphasize on one thing here. When you have a current YouTube channel and assume you want to create another channel, it is very simple. To do this, in this list, we are going to move down and select settings. And when you choose settings, you are going to have this beautiful interface. And we have this account. That means it links to our account that is being used to create this channel. And when we move below this, we have your channel, and this is the current channel that we have. So if we want to create another channel attached to this current one, we are going to choose this link that says add or manage your channels. And we have this large space that links to our account, and this option says create a channel. And when you click on this, you get this beautiful interface that will also allow you to create another channel attached to your previous channel. So this is when you have previous channel and you want to create another channel, you can use this procedure. Now also, if you have logged in into YouTube platform and also you have not created any channel within YouTube, and you have your login, that is your initial or your picture icon. When you click on this, in these options you are going to have a slightly different options as compared to a login that has a channel. And in these options we have create a channel. This means that we've logged in into YouTube platform but we don't have a YouTube channel. So if you have this option, then you have to click on create a channel, and this window looks different as compared to the previous one that we just optimized. And this is how you appear. We have this logo here that is going to consist of your profile picture, and also you are going to input your name and your handle. You have to choose the kind of channel name you want to have for your YouTube channel. So you have to make a vivid research. Maybe someone might have used your name that you want to use for your YouTube channel. So you have to make a vivid research to find a suitable name for your YouTube channel. Now let me show you the last way you can also use to create your YouTube channel. This procedure is when you don't have an email address or an email account, and also you have not signed in into YouTube platform. In this case, when you move to the top right corner, you are going to see this button that says sign in. This means that you've not signed in into YouTube platform or log in into YouTube platform. So this also gives you another procedure that will allow you to also create your YouTube channel. So we are going to click on this button, and after clicking on the sign in button, this is the interface that you have. It says sign in to continue to YouTube, and I already have an email address which I can log in into this field. But if you don't have an email address or an email account, you have to click on this button that says create account, and you have these three options. We have for myself, for my child, and to manage my business. And I'm going to choose for myself because I am going to use this specific email address to create my YouTube channel. You're going to have this template that is going to demand for your first name, last name, email address, which is a default you are going to create. You also confirm that with your password. I am going to leave a link of a video that shows you how to create your email account systematically. Click on that link to watch if you don't have an email account and create a successful email account. And when you are done, you are going to have your email address and your password so that we can use it to sign in into YouTube. So I am going to enter my email address, then I click on next. This is going to demand for my password. Now we have successfully logged in or signed in into YouTube. So when we move to the top right corner, we have our initials here, and I'm going to click on it. Then we have these options, and let's choose create a channel. Now it says how you will appear. In this interface, we can upload a picture to represent our YouTube channel, and I'm not going to do that for now because that is what we are going to explore when we are optimizing the configurations or settings of our YouTube channel. So let's ignore this and jump straight to our name field, and I'm going to give a name to my YouTube channel. So I have learn programming skills. That is the name I want to give it to my YouTube channel, and automatically YouTube has detected a handle for me that says at learn programming skills, and I think this is very perfect for me, and I'm going to maintain that. I gave this name to my YouTube channel because my channel is going to provide videos on programming skills. So after doing so, you click on create channel. Now I have this information displayed in this web browser that says your channel is being created. Check back in a few moments. Now when I move to the top right corner, I have this icon that has the initials of my name that I gave it to the YouTube channel. So when I click on this, now it says your channel, and I have these options that relate to the previous procedure that I show you, that says if you have a current YouTube channel, you can also create another channel. So this looks similar to that procedure. So I'm going to choose this option. Now this jumps you straight to this dashboard that gives you the name of your channel, your initials, and also you have your handle. And now it says no subscribers, no videos. We've not yet posted or published any video to this channel. And we have home, playlist, channel, and about. This is the home page. Whenever you log into your channel, it's going to provide you with your current videos and also other posts into your channels. When you move to this channel, this is a playlist tab that also provides you with playlists that you've created, and also by default you can have some playlists on your channel. And we have channels tab, we have about. This is where you're going to input some information about your channel, so that if any other person log into your YouTube channel, they are going to identify what service you are going to provide to the World Wide Web. So this is the dashboard that you are going to obtain when you log into your channel. Now when you move to this side, we have this date that says joined 14th April 2023. We just created this channel and this is the date that was used. When you move above, we have these two tabs here. We have customize channel and we have manage videos. Let's click on customize channel. This is the interface that is going to enable us to customize or optimize some configurations or settings to our YouTube channel. So we have this dialog box that says welcome to YouTube Studio. So I'm going to click on this link, and this is going to give you some pop-up information or screen tip that will guide you to understand the customization interface. When I move to the top right corner, it says dark theme for studio is here. Reduce glare and improve all-day viewing. You can now change your theme at any time under appearance in the account menu. So this become an option to you if you prefer that. So I'm going to close this tab. I have another pop-up. It says playlists have now been moved to the content page. So you have to note this pop-up informations. Now that I have this interface, when I move to the left side, we have our initials here, which in our next video we are going to learn how to upload a profile picture and also upload a banner for our YouTube channel. We have our profile picture here, and also we have the name of the YouTube channel here. When you move below, we have this dashboard. This is going to give you the overview of your content you are going to publish or post to the World Wide Web on the YouTube platform. So we have channel dashboard, and it says upload videos. If we have any video published to our platform, we are going to have some information about the video, and we have this at the right side that is also going to give us the current subscribers that we have. We are going to have a summary of whatever views and watch time we are going to get upon our video that is being published. We are going to see our top videos in this section, and also when you move to the right side, you'll be having this information from the Creator Insider that is going to give you week by week information on what is happening on YouTube, so that you can retouch on certain things to upgrade or configure your dashboard. So this is the dashboard overview. Because we have nothing posted, we have some limited information here, and as we start to post videos on our YouTube channel, we are going to have more information on our channel dashboard. Now in this channel dashboard, when you move to this side, we have this button that says upload. When you click on it, this gives you this dialog box which can help you to drag and drop videos from your computer. You can also click on this link to pick a video from your computer and upload to the YouTube platform. We also have this button that says go live, and it says request access to streaming. Once requested, it may take up to 24 hours to get access to live streaming. So this button is used to have live stream and communicate to your audience in your community. Now let's move to the content tab. This also is going to provide you information about the content you are posting to your YouTube channel. Under this channel content, we have videos, live, playlists and podcasts. This tab is going to display all videos that have been posted to your YouTube channel. Currently we don't have any video, so you can also use this tab to also upload a video to your YouTube channel. We also have live. This also gives you all videos that has been presented in the live mode. And when you move to this tab, which is playlist, this also provides you with the playlist that you've created on your YouTube channel, and as well as the podcast tab. So these are some of the options that you're going to observe when you start posting on your YouTube channel. Let's move to the analytics tab. This is also going to give you an overview of your video, how it is being performed, or the performing analytics of your video, and that is going to be displayed in this area. So it's going to give you the number of views, the watch time, and the number of subscribers that you have. You're going to have a real time updating live here, and this is going to be available, and you're going to have a clear overview when you start posting on your YouTube channel. So we have the overview tab, content tab, we also have the audience, then we have research, and we have nothing displayed or no data displayed because we have no footage or video posted onto our YouTube channel. Now the next tab is the comment tab. This is going to give you comments from your audience within your community, and you have the room or the space to reply all those comments. This section keeps all comments from your community. We have subtitles. This is subtitles being applied or given to your video. We also have copyrights. Whenever you post a video that has or consists of any copyright element, that is going to be displayed here, which YouTube is going to help you to take down those requests or eliminate any copyright in your video, so that you can have a monetization feature when you get to their limit. The next tab is the end tab. This is also going to provide you with the number of subscribers that you have, watch time, and this is where you have all your clear subscribers and everything that you need to be monetized by YouTube. So this also gives you more information about your YouTube channel, so you have to take your time and read through, and also click on this link to learn more about this platform. When you move below, we have this customization tab. This is where we are going to configure some settings. We have this layout tab, and this is where you can apply some trailer to your channel. You can also feature some video to return subscribers. You can also create some playlists on your YouTube channel. You can see that by default we have these 2 playlists created. So when we start to post videos that links to this playlist, they are going to be appeared in the home tab on our YouTube channel. Now when we move to the second tab, we have branding, and this is where we are going to upload our profile picture and also include our banner onto our YouTube channel, and we can also apply some video watermark into this area. And all this we are going to have it done in our next tutorials. When you move to the basic information, this is where you're going to have your name, and also you can manually enter a handle for your YouTube channel, and this is where you're going to provide some description about your YouTube channel. Let's assume that we have this less description given to our YouTube channel, and after doing so you have to click on this button to publish it so that it can appear on your dashboard whenever somebody logs in into your YouTube channel. And we have other options here. We have link. You can add your Instagram, your Twitter, your website address by clicking on this link, and you can also add your email address which you want other people to contact you for any other business purposes. After doing all these configurations, you click on publish. Now let's look at the next configuration of settings we have to configure. When I move below this, we have settings tab. In this dialog box we have this settings, and the first option is general, and this is the currency when it comes to monetization policy that is going to be paid through your account, and this is always being maintained by default. When you click on the drop down arrow, we have other options, but I'm going to maintain this option. When you move to channel tab, we have basic information, and this is where you're going to select the country of your residence. So you click on the drop down arrow and choose the country of your residence, and I am from Ghana, so I'm going to select. Now I have selected a country of my residence. When you move below, we have this dialog box that says keywords. These are some of the keywords you can enter, especially that relate to the content that you are going to create on your YouTube channel. So this is optional, but you can still enter some keywords based on your preference. So let's assume that I have this default keywords. Then let's move to the next tab, which is advanced settings. In these settings, you are going to identify whether your content are meant for kids or not. So when you look at this option, we have yes, set this channel as made for kids, and we have no, set this channel as not made for kids, and we have I want to review the settings for every video. So you have the option to choose this option. So if you are posting a video, in the process of processing your video, you can choose whether it is for kids or not, but I am going to maintain this option. I'm going to select this one. Then when I move below, we have other options you can configure. You can allow automatic captions, advertisements, and also we have some clips and also other settings which you can click on it to observe. Now when you move to this section, we have you can manage your access to more features here, and by default we have the standard features which is enabled. We have intermediate features, and this can be eligible. You have to click on this drop down arrow and verify your phone number so that you can have this feature be enabled for you. When you move here to, we have this option, and if these advanced features will be enabled, then in this option, which is the second option, intermediate features must be enabled, and that will allow you to also have some features of these advanced options. Now when you move to the next tab, which is upload default, this is where you can enter some key title which you are going to normally use in your video, and also you can input some descriptions here that will be defaultly appeared whenever you are posting a content. We also have this option that says visibility. When you click on the drop down, you can choose public, private, or unlisted depending on your preference. We also have some tags. You can input some tags which will help people to search for your content over YouTube platform. We also have permissions, and this also depends on you whether you want to add other people to your channel so that they can also have control over your channel. We also have this community tab, and it says you can now add managing moderators to your channel. So this also helps you to add moderators to your channel to have control over your YouTube platform. And we have agreements. All use of the service is subject to YouTube terms of service. So after going through all these settings, then you have to click on save so that this can take effect on your YouTube channel. Now let's go back to view channel. Now when I move back to my channel interface, I still have this default interface, but when I click on this about option, you can see that those description and settings that we applied has now appeared in this section. And whenever somebody logs into our YouTube channel, they are going to have this description appeared on their device, whether mobile, laptop, or desktop computer. So these are some of the settings you can apply to your YouTube channel. And in our next video, we are going to look at how to upload the profile picture and also insert banners. Then from there, we continue to learn how to post videos onto our YouTube channel. So this is how to create a YouTube channel and the essentials and also the settings you can apply to your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.